Hey Boos! Gonna go to Costco and Walmart, and so it's gonna be a haul video and just like, I guess, spend shopping with us on this episode of
BoosCruize.
BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Alright Boos, so we just made it to Costco. If you watched our last video yesterday, you saw that we are going to try to do like a cleaner month because we're not able to work out. We've just been like eating all the keto goodies, the prepackaged stuff.
The breads.
You're right, the breads, the pastas, even though noodle pasta is pretty clean, but we're just gonna take a break from that and mostly just get back to the basics as far as like meats and you know, we're not doing non-dairy. It's just not happening. No. But we're not gonna be picking up the bread or the buns or some of those other things today. We're mostly just here for meats, some dairy stuff that we are out of. And we're also gonna hit it to Walmart. Hopefully they have that risotto cauliflower that we love. But we're gonna do a quick keto Costco haul. So come with us. Freshly cleaned cart, and we are inside. Oh, yes, we are out of toothpaste. So first purchase, toothpaste. That Colgate for the Colgate smile, which we can't see because we're wearing masks. All right, so first stop, you know, we always have to restock the bar during these quarantine times. Only $12.99 for this triple distilled vodka. It's such a good deal, guys. We say it every time, but and it's keto friendly. So you know, we never come to Costco without getting the beef. So we're gonna grab one of these because we have some in the freezer. And again, we are kind of limiting it to more meat and vegetables, so we're gonna grab one. So these are $5.49 a pound. This is a great price for this, and they're so thick we can cut these in half and get double the steaks out of this. So we're gonna grab this as well. Never come to Costco without getting a giant rotisserie chicken for $4.99. So we haven't really looked at these, but these grass-fed beef, Donnelly Farms is who makes our chicken patties. And I'm not a blue cheese fan. Jarrell likes them, but these are only 1 or 2 carbs, and it's pretty clean ingredients, but we're not gonna get them. But these words like sweet chipotle, not good. Look at this. You think you're getting just a beef patty? 10 grams of carbs. No thank you. Sorry. You guys know this aisle. My beloved $5.99 mozzarella balls. Obsessed. Never leave without them. Also, because we are cutting down on the bread alternatives, we are going to get the Folios cheese wraps this time, right? Okay, yeah. And let's also get these crepini wraps are great. So I'm gonna make some taco meat tonight. So these have 0 net carbs in them. This is a really clean alternative. Literally, there's only eggs, cauliflower powder, olive oil, seeds. So this is completely clean, and we can use these for tacos. Oh look, this is some seasoned beef brisket, shaved brisket. This is only 1 gram of carbs, and it looks pretty clean in there. So we're gonna pick this up. It's already done for us. I can't find feta, which is really upsetting me. But so organic chicken piccata. Jarrell loves chicken piccata. Always check, because this has 8 grams of carbs. I'm guessing they breaded it, which is traditional, but don't think that in something like this, like pineapple, no. So I just asked the guy, and there is no feta. So I'm not crazy. That's what, chicken legs?
Well, for me, David doesn't like the dark meat.
But still, that's a good.
I don't know if they have better than this.
That's a pretty good price, $14.
But you think it's better?
No, I think that's a pretty good price.
It's seasoned. That's the only reason I was like,
yeah, it's already seasoned. Okay. I say for sure. So we normally get this, and we have a bunch left over of that. It's such an amazing price, like $8.69 for this. But they don't have any regular LaCroix, so or LaCroix, whatever you want to say. So we're gonna get one of these. This has cherry lime, pineapple strawberry, and blackberry cucumber. And this is only around $8 as well. So we haven't tried these. Jarrell is leery. I think I'm more excited than him. Cherry lemon lime sounds good to me. And so does pineapple strawberry. And he likes cucumber, blackberry, so I don't know. I'm into it. I think it's gonna be a nice change. This is new, guys. I've never seen this before. This is an egg witch. Turkey sausage. It says right on the front, keto friendly. Let's check. There's only 3 carbs. Third ingredient says cornstarch, which is questionable, but 3 carbs for 1 is pretty darn good. So we're not gonna get these today because we do have so many sausage patties. We have cheese and all that, but this is a great option. Jarrell had an amazing find here. They normally don't have this at ours, but this is 85 lean, and this is $16.99 for 5 1-pound chubs, and it's already done for you. So we're gonna switch out our other and do this. 0 carbs, obviously, because it's just meat, but this is an amazing option, and it's already pre-packaged, so I don't have to do anything. So switching it up. I think we're gonna pick up our beloved sirloin signature patties just because they're super easy. We are out of bacon. That's like a no-no. So we're gonna pick up some of the Kirkland brand bacon. We're out of sour cream, $3.99, amazing price. All right, guys, so we usually have our heavy cream. I think we might grab some half and half today because look, this is only 1 carb. And let's see the heavy cream. The heavy cream is less than 1 carb, but 40 calories. Fat is more here. All right, no, we're gonna go with the heavy cream because the macros are a little better on that. Favor, I think I found the cauliflower bites. Keto friendly, it says, 4 net carbs. We're gonna skip them this time because we're trying to be cleaner, but yes. Let me see what it has in there. Sunflower oil, safflower oil, a little bit, and maltodextrin. But I heard they're so delicious. $6.99, kind of pricey, but I don't know. Favor, you're tempted. We are out of cream cheese. That can never happen on keto. You know, I love it every time. It's so cheap. It's only $6. Also, babe just picked up string cheese. We need our string cheese. Total came to, for everything, it wasn't that bad this time, right?
Not at all. Well,
it was $211.07 was the total, and I'm going to put this into the I use this app called Fetch, where you just scan the receipts and it gives you all these points, and then you turn the points into money or gift cards, and it's the easiest app ever. Maybe I'll put down below the code so you guys can sign up and it will give you money. You don't have to do anything else. So many apps, it's like transfer money, do this, like, ugh, I don't have time for it. This, take a picture, upload it, it gives you points, and then you cash them out. It's the easiest thing ever. I think you get like $5 or however many points to start. So I'll put the code down below, check in the description box, and you guys sign up for Fetch because it's literally money. Here we are, Walmart Neighborhood Market. We need to only get like 2 or 3 things from here. Guys, look. Max pork rinds. I've never seen the barrel. It's only $5.88, and these are completely clean, by the way. Fried pork skins and salt. Literally very clean keto, and $5.88 is a great price for this. Cube steak, some of our favorites. Gonna get 2 of these. Oh, $6 each for sure. Only $5.48 a pound. Oh, actually this is less a pound, $4.98 a pound. So that's the better deal. We'll just put these in the freezer. So I'm gonna get some finely shredded Parmesan cheese. It's only $1.98, much cheaper here. Also, only 2 carbs, so we're gonna grab this. This, literally, if you've never tried this, this is the Fiesta Ranch. We had heard about this and we had just tried it for the first time. It's incredible. Like literally, this is the best tasting. Like I'm getting 4 of them. That's how good it is. I can't even. Literally why we came here. This cauliflower risotto medley is so good. It doesn't taste like cauliflower at all. We're gonna get, well, it looks like there's only, what, 1, 2, it looks like there's only 2 of them. Ugh, well, we're gonna get 2 then. How the Fetch, hey guys, I wanted to show you how the Fetch app works. So this is my Walmart receipt. Oh, by the way, the Walmart stuff came to $35. So literally you just go into the Fetch app, take a picture of the receipt, and then click submit. And it can be from anywhere. No matter what, you always get at least 25 points. This gave me 50 points. Yes, why? Oh, because of the Hidden Valley Ranch. They're 12 points each. So I just got 50 points. I have a total of, let me see here. Oh, 17,000 points. That's all you have to do. And then you can get all of these amazing gift cards. Amazon, everywhere else. I'm just going to use this maybe for, I don't know, like Christmas, things like that. So yeah, that's how it works. I'll do a referral thing down below, and then you can start out with like 5,000 points or something like that. It's like $5 for free. So that's as easy as it is. Here is everything that we got. Walmart / Costco. Let me just do the Walmart first. So literally we got very little from Walmart. We just got these 2 things of cauliflower risotto medley. Thanks Christy Davis for suggesting it. We're obsessed. 4 of these Hidden Valley Ranch Fiestas. Can't say this enough. Oh, just so you know, there are 0 carbs. Probably dirty keto, but you know what? It's fine. Jarrell, this is like the only face wash he uses. This is the one that works for him. So we got this. Also, the Max pork rinds. That was Walmart. And the Great Value. That's all I got from Walmart. So, Costco. Sour cream. Cream cheese. I'm going to be making some fat bombs because like I said, we're going to clean some things up, and fat bombs are a great way to stay really keto but still have that sweet treat. So going to make some fat bombs, so I needed that, and also you just need that. Sour cream, our cube steaks. Oh, that was also Walmart. Rotisserie chicken. You know that I use these for not only recipes but also to make my bone broth, so always get that. We got our steaks here. I'm going to cut these in half and make these 10 steaks because they're super thick and delicious. Jarrell's chicken legs, not for me. I'm not a dark meat chicken kind of guy. Got our string cheese, got our ground beef here, got our ground sirloin. Oh, we also got these shaved briskets. So excited to try those, wrapped up in either a folio cheese wrap or the crepini egg wraps with cauliflower. Guys, 30 calories, 0 net carbs. These are going to be our new best friend because we are trying to stay away from the keto bread for a little bit. Mozzarella, obsessed. Also, guys, 0 carbs in these. These are so good to just kind of pop in your mouth. Heavy cream, we have one, but we need a backup. My favorite sharp cheddar cheese. We got the 5-pack of the Colgate, the vodka, and last but not least, we also got these special LaCroix. So I'm going to put some of this away now and maybe do some meal prep. Not sure, but that's what we got. I'm going to go against my better judgment and my own rules and turn on the oven, even though it's so hot. And since I'm gonna do a bunch of protein. So this is for Jarrell. I'm gonna do these chickens. This is, don't ask. They're all gonna shrink down. They shrink down so much, and then I'm gonna rearrange them. But I was like, let me just do a lot. And I figured I could do the bacon also. So you see this chorizo too, this chorizo, which is Aldi chorizo and has, what, 3 grams of carbs, but 2 fibers, so 1 net carb. We're gonna have chorizo and eggs. But yeah, this is just meal prep. I'm gonna put this all in the oven and then pray for us because I feel like I'm gonna split. So I'm gonna start this chorizo and eggs. It's literally 4:30 and this will be our first meal of the day. But this is just going to be a little something, and it's just going to be chorizo and eggs. This is one of Jarrell's favorite things ever. And it's so easy because you don't have to season it. Chorizo has so much flavor and seasoning. Pro tip, let this go until all of the oil and grease has completely cooked off, and it'll get nice and crispy. You don't need to add oil to the pan. You don't need to add anything to the pan. Just let it go. And that way it won't be like soggy and kind of like gross. There's a trick to chorizo. All right, you see how all of the oil has been cooked out of this chorizo? This is when you want to add eggs, when it's nice and dry, because you don't want it to be a super wet thing. I'm gonna add 4 eggs, and I have some chives in there, some green onions. I'm gonna cook it to the side so that it gets a little bit dried out, and then I'm gonna incorporate it with the chorizo. So first, just start scrambling a little bit on its own just to get it started, and then you can incorporate it in. Otherwise, you won't get eggs and chorizo. You'll just get kind of like a one mixture, unless you want to. I mean, if you like it like that, that's great too. This is just for us, so you do what you want in your kitchen. People take cooking way too seriously. Like, it's just not that serious. It's just lunch. All right, this is done. You see how this is dry enough that this could go in a taco? I just realized we're having a very like Mexican food day, like, because we're having basically taco meat or taco bowls or taco wraps. I don't know, I haven't decided, for dinner, but yeah. So a little bit of shredded cheddar over, let that melt, and done. This took me maybe 5 minutes. So just finished the bacon, and the burgers are already done. I told you they would all get done super fast, same time, and the chicken is still going. So Jarrell's chicken is done. So I've meal prepped all those patties, bacon, and this chicken. I also just put together some fat bombs, which if you guys want a recipe, I'll show you, but I'm gonna make those, scoop those out as well. But right now I'm gonna make the Mexican, basically taco meat for everything tonight. Hot is finished, and all the ovens are turned off, and you see it is so hot. And I don't know what it is with LA apartments near the beach that are like, you don't need air because you have an ocean breeze. Where's the ocean breeze, girl? And there's a breeze, it's not enough. We have air conditioners in our bedroom and in here, but it just is like this heat is laughing at, I can't. Just finished the fat bombs. So guys, these are cheesecake fat bombs with butterscotch chips. These butterscotch chips are so amazing. Like, they're so good. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on this haul and shopping and kind of meal prepping, just a little bit of everything keto, and just kind of hanging out with us today. Say bye, babe.
Bye, you guys.
All right, we love you. Don't forget to follow us at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize, because you're worth it. All right, bye, guys.